Hello everyone, this is Swati Nayak. In the year 2021, I got All India Rank 7 in BHU MSc Botany entrance, All India Rank 4 in DU MSc Botany entrance, All India Rank 6 in DU MSc Plant Molecular Biology and Biotechnology entrance, and All India Rank 3 in Hyderabad Central University's MSc Plant Biology and Biotechnology entrance. In this video, I'm going to share with you what are the different strategies I followed, and with less effort I got maximum results. So if you want to know the secret, stay tuned. So first is, I did a previous year questions. I purchased a book on previous year questions and I made a thorough practice of the different previous year questions. And second is revising your concepts and notes. That helped me a lot. And all the things that I forgot, I could recall and practice them again. Third is being attentive in your class, whether it is college class or coaching class. Being attentive to what teacher is teaching helps you a lot, because you have 3 years of graduation and that's a big time to study for MSc entrance, and you learn a lot through these years. It's not that the last moment everyone learns. It's like a 3 years journey and you can brush up a lot of concepts in that. Next are the books. So basically Pathfinder I followed for biochemistry, molecular biology and the techniques. Next is Plant Kingdom, which I followed an Indian author book called the Singh Pandey Jain, and Ecology from P.D. Sharma, and Metabolism and Physiology from Theis and Hopkins books. So if you can't study all of them, study Pathfinder book, and try to practice previous year questions and match which concepts are important and study accordingly, and expand your knowledge and relate to the previous year questions. That helps a lot. And Kavish Academy is one of those YouTube channels which can help you to get the best in this limited time, because there are YouTube videos with solutions, and also there is a Telegram channel which you can get updates about different entrance exams, when to apply, what is the last date to apply, and also there is a Telegram group where you can share all your doubts and also solve your doubts, and that's a very good community of healthy competition, I would say. Then lastly, be positive, have trust that you can do it. Dream and manifest your dreams. No matter where you have done your BSc, it does not matter, but if you believe in yourself, you can go to greater heights. All the best.